Now it's really tearing up some shit.
This is literally right outside the house. You see all that is picked up? Boy, that's...
Katy, Texas, United States, December 28, 2024. A tornado warning has been issued for parts of Harris and Waller counties. Authorities have confirmed a tornado touched down north of Katy and is moving toward Cypress and Bridgeland. A possible tornado caused heavy structural damage in the eastern part of the area, according to the Montgomery County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. A few homes were also destroyed in Brazoria County, according to the National Weather Service, as reported by the Houston Chronicle. The NWS has issued tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings for much of southeast Texas throughout the day. While much of East Texas and parts of the Gulf Coast are bracing for severe weather on Saturday, areas west of Houston may have just been hit by a tornado. A possible tornado touched down Saturday morning between Hockley and Katy, west of Houston. According to Matt Lanza of Space City Weather, a stretch of severe weather hit the area near Dewberry Farm around 10:40 a.m.
Yeah, this is like literally right on the side of the house. So it's gonna debris.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for areas south of Hockley, which includes parts of Harris County and Waller County, until 11 a.m. Saturday. According to the NWS, radar indicates tornadoes are possible, and quarter-sized hail is possible. East Texas is being urged to be on alert Saturday, as severe storms are likely to hit the region. The NWS says the storms could bring large hail, strong winds and severe tornadoes. Parts of Louisiana and Mississippi are also expected to be affected.
I'm headed inside because the rain's starting up. You guys, that's an actual tornado out here in Katy. See some debris just flying around. And, well, they want the power.
All of this action comes just days after several tornadoes formed across southeast Texas. At least 4 tornadoes were documented Thursday afternoon, including one that burned heavily in El Campo. After all of this windy and wet weather passes, a cold front is expected to move into the Houston area and bring much-needed relief.
Man, I hope this thing dies out before it picks up.